Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. Kasama na po ang presyo. Pwedeng cash or financing on selected cars. Visit our website for more details. 2017 Nissan NV 350 van, manual transmission, diesel engine, 68,000 kilometers mileage only. With free music cover. Ready for long drive. 2007 Mazda 3 Sky FVR automatic transmission, gasoline engine, white color. 100,000 kilometers plus mileage. With CASA records and manuals. Top of the line ito, boss. Two 2003 Hummer H2, automatic transmission, gasoline engine, 46,700 kilometers mileage. GIT setup, well maintained with CASA records. Twenty 2022 Toyota Corolla Cross, G 1.8 liters. Automatic transmission, gasoline engine, 8,000 kilometers plus ang mileage. Slightly negotiable, boss. 2004 Hummer H2, 4x4 baby, limited edition. Automatic transmission, 72,000 kilometers plus odometer, gasoline engine, CASA maintain, fresh in and out. Nineteen 1997 Honda Civic LXI, all-power, manual transmission, gasoline engine, 119 plus kilometers mileage, all-stock engine, all lights working, all power window working. Twenty 2017 Toyota Fortuner G, manual transmission, diesel engine, 4x2, 62,000 kilometers mileage, brand new apat na tires, fresh all the way, boss. 2016 Toyota Fortuner V, 4x4, automatic transmission with paddle shifter, diesel engine, 70,000 kilometers mileage. Well maintained, pristine condition. Bilhin mo na, boss. 2024 F-150 Platinum Edition, 4x4, automatic transmission, 3.5 liters V6 twin-turbo gasoline engine. 40,000 kilometers mileage, with sunroof, moonroof at maraming modification po. Visit our website po. (2012) model ng Honda City E-Tech, gasoline engine, fuel efficient, manual transmission, 96,000 kilometers odometer only. 2 keys, thick tires, reverse camera and sensor, with dashcam. (1992) Honda Civic Hatchback, manual transmission, gasoline engine, full exhaust, Momo Monte Carlo interior. Slightly negotiable Pontibus. (2017) Toyota Hiace Grandia GL, 3.0 liters diesel engine, 47,000 kilometers mileage, well-maintained, with CASA records. Pwedeng cash or financing po. Check na lang po sa website. (2012) Hyundai Tucson, Theta 2.0 liters gasoline engine, automatic transmission, smooth shifting, no delay, ice-cold aircon, fresh at shiny paint, no fades at no dents, presentable in, and, out, good running condition. (2013) Ford Escape XLS, automatic transmission, smooth shifting, no delay, 2.3 DOHC, gasoline engine, fuel efficient, cold aircon, fresh in and out, all power, central lock, keyless entry. (2006) Ford Everest, automatic transmission, smooth shifting, no delay, turbo diesel engine, intact interior, very good running condition, original paint, fresh in and out condition. Baka gusto mo, boss. Visit na sa aming website po. (1998) Honda Civic, manual transmission, gasoline engine, very good engine, good running condition, cold aircon, presentable paint, makapalang gulong, well-maintained, budget meal lang, boss.